Hello everyone, my name is Charna and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you the way to install and download Java and Visual Studio Code on Mac operating system. If you want to skip the intro and go directly to the tutorial, then I have mentioned the timing down in the description below. Just click on that. This is a different kind of video. I'm planning to make a playlist where I teach basic of Java language. Currently, I'm doing Bachelor of Computer Science at University of New Brunswick. Before I started my degree, I had no prior knowledge in programming at all. I had no experience too, so I completely understand how hard programming can be for the beginners. So in my next video, I'm planning to teach how to write Hello World in Java language. Also, I will include tips and tricks that helped me get through my introductory course, which was Java. In this video, I'll show you how to do the initial setup that is required to do Java. So without further ado, let's start the video. This is Mac OS, so I'll be installing Java in this one. First, let's check whether we have Java installed or not. To do that, we can just open the terminal window and then type Java -version. As you can see, there's like no JDK over here. There's another way to check it. To do that, just go to System Preferences and then type Java. So we don't have it here either. We need to download Java Development Kit, which is also known as JDK, that comes with Java Runtime Environment known as JRE, and that is required to run Java programs. So let's get started. So to do that, you can just open any browser. I use Google Chrome and then type download JDK. And you can just click on the first one, the one with Oracle. Click on JDK download. Scroll down. So you can see here Mac OS installer DMG. Click on this one. Accept. Download. So it's downloading here. Now you can open this. Minimize the browser and just click on the package and press continue, install, enter the password. Install succeeded. So now we can close everything and then check whether it's downloaded or not. So here, clear. So here you can just type Java -version. So you can see here it's there 14.0.1. Now let's check whether Java home environment is set or not. To do this, again, we can just go to the terminal and go to the home directory by typing cd and /. So this takes us to the home directory, and then type echo the $, and Java _home. As you can see, it's returning empty, so we can type ls-al. Here all the files and directory are there, but we don't have .bash profile file. So let's create one. To create one, we just need to type touch.bash_profile and click on that. So now we can type again ls-al. Now you can see it's created over here .bash_file. Now we need to open it. To open the bash profile, you can just type open.bash_profile. So we have to put one command. I have keep that command in the description as well. We can just copy and paste it. It's this one. Export Java home. Just copy paste it there and save it. So once it's saved, just close the bash profile and go back to the terminal and type source, this symbol, I don't know what's that called, / dot bash underscore profile, and then type echo $Java underscore home. So it's there. So now you have successfully installed Java. Visual Studio Code. It's a code editor which is used to develop or write code for many programming languages like Java, C++, Python, or any other languages. It is my personal favorite as well. So let's get started. So we can just go to any browser, Google Chrome, and then just type Visual Studio Code and click on the one with code.visualstudio.com, and you can see this box and click on download for Mac. Now just open the downloaded zip file. So it's there, Visual Studio Code. Double click on it, open. So this is how it looks. Now let's go to the launchpad and see whether it's there or not. So it's not here. We can just go to downloads and drag it and then drop it in applications. So now here you can just see Visual Studio Code is there. So that's it guys, you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Mac operating system. Thank you so much for watching the video. In the next video, I'll show you the way to write hello world in Java language. If you want to see that video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.